was so
Nose.
deep.
You want to
I
laugh
almost
or
want
cry?
to cry.
It's okay, we have tissue. Give me
I want
tissue.
to have a cry. Oh, but that's a lot of relief.
Mm. Use your nose to breathe.
Oh my god, that was loud. Oh, it wasn't painful though.
I didn't hear you.
Oh,
Hey, say that
I don't know,
again.
it was just a weird feeling. It
Say
wasn't
that
painful.
I didn't. Eh?
I don't know, it was just shocking, but it wasn't painful. Ouch! It's like you yanked the migraine away. I was having a headache.
But the way,
Yanked the
from
headache
the way
away.
you shouted, people would think that would bring the migraine.
It was a bit shocking and a bit painful.
A few moments later.
Oh.
Did I touch your own body?
Oh no,
Wait,
but
answer me. Did I touch your
no,
own
you
body?
didn't, but it's not painful anymore. It's not painful
But
anymore.
what was the analogy I gave you for consultation? You can have pain in one area, root cause from another area.
Wow.
Remember, don't shout. You already crack your neck and your back. That's okay. Your neck is paining you. Down. Just breathe. Move it this way. Use your nose to breathe. Breathe. Nose. Nose. Your neck is there. Check out.
Oh my god, that was loud. Oh, it wasn't painful though.
I didn't hear you. Hey, say that
I don't know,
again.
it was just a weird feeling. It
Say
wasn't
that I
painful.
didn't. Eh?
I don't know, it was just shocking, but it wasn't painful.
You okay?
Oh wow, that's good. Oh my god, that feels so good. I can turn my neck.
Oh my.
My neck is fine. Wow.
But when you watch these things on IG, you think someone is yours. It's part of the act.
My neck was so stiff. Wow. Continue.
Now you're not afraid again of it.
Nope.
Okay, I'll mention this after this one. Fine. Move this one. Inhale, exhale. Well done. Just breathe your legs down. So one of the things I talked to you about, I know you're not even here with us yet. Are you here now? Your neck is there, don't worry.
Oh my god. That was very deep. Those cracks I do, they're not as deep as this one. Do you hear the
But
crack?
why is it why is it that even me that obviously know what I'm doing, I can't do it for myself?
Really?
Because of remember I explained to you during consultation, there are 7 joints or segments here. 12 here, 5 here. The assessment is to know which joint to contact. When people crack their neck, you're just twisting and turning the neck. But when it's licensed chiropractor does an adjustment, it depends on where is the fixation. Breathe, use your nose. Not mouth, nose. Nose.
Oh my god, that was so
Nose.
deep.
You don't want to
I
laugh.
almost
or
want to
cry.
cry.
Yeah, it's okay, we have tissue. Give me
I want
tissue.
to have a cry. Oh,
Just breathe.
oh my god. Oh, but that's a lot of relief. Yes.
See how your shout is loud, your testimony is low. People in the reception have run away, but they won't know you're giving testimonies.
Oh.
Did I touch your wrong body?
Oh no.
Wait, answer me. Did I touch your wrong
You
body?
didn't. But it's not painful anymore. It's not painful anymore.
But what was the analogy I gave you for consultation? You can have pain in one area, root cause from another area.
Wow.
We're not
Although
done.
there's a little bit of pain there, but it's not as crazy as it used to be.
You can come. Down. Slow and steady. Thank you, son. I'm glad you appreciate my work. Just breathe. Use your nose. Nose. Slowly, nose. If you're ready, you can come up.
Oh. Okay. Oh, so bad.
You okay?
Yeah.
You will face up.
Okay. Then the one I'm looking forward to is the white strap.
Don't worry. It's looking forward to you too. It's like, that's the only one I came for. Because the other ones I can do on my own. So what also happens with a spine that's deviated, you start to have, we'll call it short leg. One leg being shorter than the other one.
Oh, we don't want that. I'm already short enough.
You don't want to add a
Well,
link.
the shortness I'm saying is like imbalance.
Ouch! Where did that come from? I didn't learn that one.
Yeah, so no, as long as you don't say I'm your teacher, because I didn't teach you any of that.
No, I'll not try again. I'm done.
You're done.
My chiropractic days are over. The ring dinger.
Oh my God, they watch too many videos.
Oh yeah.
It's to just block you from. Okay, no, you say you learned your lesson, so it won't block you. You can lie down. Don't shift. Just walk. Shift down small. It's okay. Is this comfortable?
Kinda.
Land on your stomach.
Oh, I can't wait for the decompression that'll come with this.
Now, so don't shout as you're waiting for it. Your hand on your stomach. Inhale. Let the neck move. Your feet, keep it down. Stay. Just breathe. Use your nose. Nose. Slow, slow, slow. Just stay. Don't move. Don't check anything, just.
It's like you yanked the migraine away. I was having a headache.
But the way,
Youngster
from the way
headache.
you shouted, people would think that would bring the migraine.
It was a bit shocking and a bit painful.
Mm. It's
I don't
easing off
understand.
slowly.
It's difficult to explain.
Mm.
But it's funny, I thought it would just be my neck that moves, but my
No,
middle back
But that's why most people
was also
shout.
moving.
Because some people can feel it in their feet, lower back, mid back.
Mm.
And if you thought it's just here, you will feel it. And your whole body. You think you can die relaxed. You
What
okay?
about here? The shoulder blade.
Don't worry. Did you think you will reach your back? Don't worry. And this is not something that happened or started yesterday. So as you now do your own part as well, with
It is,
time,
Yeah, but it's much comfortable.
fine, stand onto your side.
Is that it? Yes, sir. Great.
Did I get taller?
He probably
You
did.
should have
It
measured
does
you.
feel like I got taller or something.
But you know why? When your posture is more upright, then you feel like
My back
you're...
is straight. Why didn't I do this since?
I didn't hear you. I didn't hear
I should
that.
have done this a long time ago.
What was that question you just threw out? Why what?
I should have done this a
Why
long
did
time
you think
ago.
our work was easy?
Ah.
Is it not just...
Even my waist is cracked. I don't know.
Your waist is aligned.